Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by equipping the combat knife and preparing your approach. Pick it in loadout and confirm stamina is full. Once done, assign a quick swap key so you can switch under pressure. This saves 0.5 to 1 second per exchange. Make sure to select passive perks that boost melee damage and bleed. These stack with knife hits, so you hit harder and finish foes faster. Move now toward cover to close distance without exposing yourself to ranged fire. You close the gap using sprint plus crouch and cover because staying unseen gives you the advantage. Approach from flanks or above when possible. Once near, shift into a silent approach, crouch walk or use cloak windows to prevent alerting groups. Then time your strike. A light tap yields a quick hit for repositioning, while a charged stab deals heavy damage and can bypass shields. Keep repositioning immediately after each attack, so you avoid return fire and maintain offensive momentum. You finish encounters by chaining a light hit into a heavy, then roll to reset and stay unpredictable. This sequence maximizes damage while minimizing exposure. Once the enemy is down, step back to cover and use medkits or stamina recovery. Do not chase if you're low, since a stray shot ends you. If you notice attack animation cancels or missed inputs, rebind your melee and roll keys and test input latency in a practice match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.